Hi everyone, this is Dr. B. Today we're going to be discussing something that a lot of you might be interested in, and that is how to whiten your teeth at home and naturally. But before we go into that discussion, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what causes teeth to discolor in the first place. As we get older, the whiter enamel layer of our teeth will naturally, from wear and tear, become thinner and more translucent, allowing the underlying yellow dentin layer of the tooth to shine through. It's a natural process and not much we can do about it. However, additional stain coming from the outside is something we can address. Probably the most common causes of staining come from certain foods we eat, like berries and candies, beverages including wine, tea, and coffee, and tobacco products. Poor dental hygiene will lead to a buildup of bacteria-rich plaque and tartar, further discoloring your teeth. Of course, there are what is known as intrinsic stains, discoloration due to certain medications, fluoride, or nutritional deficiencies. In those cases, cosmetic dentistry would be more appropriate. The good news is that most yellowing and stains can be addressed at home, so let's look at some ways to whiten your teeth and proudly show your smile. Number 1 is activated charcoal. Brushing with activated charcoal powder is one of the easiest, most effective, and least expensive ways to naturally whiten teeth, up to 3 shades. The coarse texture helps rub off surface stains, and as an antioxidant, charcoal effectively attracts and removes toxins and bacteria. Could be a little messy, so be careful of your clothes. Moisten a separate toothbrush and dip it into the black powder. Proceed to brush all surfaces of your teeth for about 2 minutes, but concentrate on your front teeth. Spit out in the sink what's in your mouth. Rinse out with water until no more black comes out of your mouth. Follow this with brushing your teeth as you normally would with a chemical and fluoride-free toothpaste. Activated charcoal is abrasive and should be used at most a couple of times a week. The second method is baking soda. Baking soda, like activated charcoal, is abrasive and is helpful to scrub away at stains on your teeth. It may be used by itself or be combined with other ingredients for enhanced whitening. Here are some examples. Make a paste of baking soda mixed with a small amount of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Brush with this mixture a few times a week or after stain-producing food or drink. You can also mix baking soda with a small amount of fresh lemon juice. While also effective in reducing bacteria, lemon juice is acidic, and you don't want to erode your enamel, so don't use this technique more than once a week. While it may seem counterintuitive to use a vibrant red food to remove stains, the secret to strawberries as a remedy is that they contain malic acid, which can assist in dissolving coffee, red wine, and tea stains on teeth. Mash up 1 or 2 strawberries and add about a teaspoon of baking soda to make into a paste. Rub this mix on your teeth with your finger for 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse thoroughly and floss. Use this method infrequently due to the acidic nature of the fruit. Now for some surprising methods using things you probably have at home. First is oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that has been around for thousands of years. Many claim that daily oil pulling with organic coconut oil can eliminate plaque and whiten teeth. The process is simple and inexpensive. Check out our other video on oil pulling for how to do it and why you should make it part of your daily routine. The next is apple cider vinegar. Not only is apple cider vinegar a disinfectant, but it is also a natural cleaning agent that can kill bacteria in the mouth. Believe it or not, you can use organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar as a mouthwash by diluting it with water and swishing it around for a few minutes. After spitting it out, rinse thoroughly with water to prevent eroding the enamel, and only use apple cider vinegar no more than once a month. The next is the banana rub. While this may sound comical, bananas are rich in potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which are absorbed into your enamel and have healthy whitening effects. After brushing and flossing as you normally would, peel a ripe banana and take the inside of the peel and rub a piece of the inside on your teeth for 2 minutes. Then rinse. Wild, huh? But it has worked for some. So now you have some ideas on how you can whiten your teeth naturally, inexpensively, and at home. If you are considering whitening your teeth and you have a compromised dental condition or have tooth sensitivity, you should see your dentist to discuss other options. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Please like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more holistic options. Take care, ciao, and be well.